It's no shock that the internet has paved the way to millions more than any other road out there. The online world has the capacity that serves as both a social gathering and a powerful sales marketing network. Affiliate marketing is a good online business. I personally find affiliate marketing to be more profitable. You just have to select a good product that pays a fair commission and create good quality content around them. A blog is a perfect platform for you to launch your own product, be it ebook, t-shirt business, a private membership area, or whatever. You can use a blog to create sustainable long-term income and promote all of your online projects. Build an affiliate website. To make money online, you can build an affiliate website. The principles of creating a successful blog can be used to build a profitable website and a profitable affiliate website. This includes creating engaging content, marketing your website, and adhering to search engine ranking guidelines. In contrast to blogs, with an affiliate website, you are gearing everything towards a specific product. This is why most affiliate websites contain product review. However, people who are searching for a review of a particular product are more likely to purchase it after reading an informative review. Therefore, the odds of making a referral commission are greatly increased. While it does help to know a product firsthand, you can write a good product review by either hiring others to write it for you or summarize what others have already written. There are millions of products being sold online, so the opportunity to make money from affiliate websites are limitless. Furthermore, companies list partnership opportunities for their products on affiliate network or through their own in-house affiliate program. Hundreds of thousands of affiliate programs are available online, but a good starting point is the Amazon Associate Program. Although Amazon commission rate is low compared to other affiliate programs, e-stores tend to convert better due to brand loyalty. Without a doubt, affiliate websites are one of the most effective ways of making money online. Launch an online shop. According to Digital Commerce 360, e-commerce spending was around 4.9 trillion and is expected to grow by 10% in the next few years. Online shop is a massive market you should consider tapping into. As you will expect, building a successful online shop requires a lot of hard work. Therefore, it may take several months before you start making a healthy monthly profit. It is necessary to see how others have built successful shops and research what product to sell, who your competitors are, and who your target audience is. There are many great e-commerce shopping platforms available. I recommend looking into Shopify and WooCommerce. Shopify is a hosted online shopping solution. The service handles everything for shop owners and has a great selection of themes for online stores. WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that has grown to become the most popular e-commerce solution online. Their plugin is free to download. However, you have to host your online stores and possibly purchase additional plugins to extend functions. Like Shopify, they have a huge variety of WooCommerce themes on the market in order to help you market your product effectively. Check out Shopify versus WooCommerce to see which platform is right for you. To make money online, you can sell products on Amazon, eBay, and more. Once you launch your online shop, you have to spend time administering the store in order to find customers. You also have to market your stores and products. If you want to start earning money quickly, you can consider selling products on e-commerce marketplaces marketplace such as Amazon and eBay. Shopping marketplaces and auction websites are competitive. On the other hand, there are few barriers to getting started on a website such as eBay. You can get going by selling old things around the house that you do not need. Alternatively, you can search your local area for products that are on sale and then resell them nationwide at a higher price. Established sellers tend to use dropshipping for their sales. However, there are thousands of sellers on Alibaba that helps you do this. Once someone purchases a product from you, you buy the product from China and ship it to them. The customer will never know that you did not ship it directly, as your brand and marketing material can be included with the package to reduce delivery times. Many sellers choose to buy items in bulk and send it directly to Amazon website using the Amazon FBA program. It's an attractive setup as you can build up a large successful store on Amazon without ever having to store the item yourself. Create a job board. What's the best type of website to build to make money online? If you had to ask an experienced internet marketer this question, my guess is that job board will be at the bottom of the list. Yet, there is a lot of money to be made with job board. The most difficult part of launching a job board is attracting companies to post job and then establishing an audience. In the beginning, you may want to duplicate job listing from other websites. After all, nobody is going to visit a job board that has no job listing. Job boards are an attractive long-term project. Once the job site is established, it requires very little maintenance to keep it up running and earn money. Take the remote OK for example. This popular remote job board makes almost 1 million a year and is run by the team. There are many job board products available online, such as Smart Job Board and jobboard.io. This will help you launch your own job board website. A number of job WordPress plugins are also available for usage. You can make money online by creating a discussion forum. Up until the mid to late 20s, discussion forums were one of the most common places for internet users to hang out and communicate with each other. However, forums are less common today due to the popularity of social media, yet they are still profitable. Many large discussion forums continues to get monetized with banners, ads, and sponsored ads from partners. But over the last 10 years, we have also seen more private discussion forums. Private discussion forums charge members a monthly or yearly fee to gain access to the forum. Obviously, you cannot just install the forum website and expect money to start rolling in. You need to entice people to sign up for your private discussion forum by offering something they cannot find elsewhere. This could be an extensive online course or simply direct access to yourself or others who can provide support. For some discussion forum owners, the best solution is a mixture of free and premium access. By keeping registration free, you can increase the number of people who join the community. Members can then unlock additional features and permission if they pay for a premium membership. There are dozens of great forum applications available online. Good free solutions include vanilla forums, open source version, and MyBP. If you're looking for premium solution, check out the InVision community, VBlade, and Zenfo. Subscribe to my channel. Build an email marketing list. Every major online shops build an email marketing list. No wonder every major online shop, blog, or community wants you to sign up for their newsletter. As the popular marketing saying goes, the money is on the list. A targeted email list gives you permission to contact someone directly. Email list is a powerful marketing tool. If you have an online store, you can email customers with discounts and offers. You can promote your ebook and online courses to leaders. Even if you do not have a website, you can still profit from building an email marketing list by promoting targeted affiliate offer and deal. You can also use it to build your profile on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and more. If you're building your email list from scratch, you may want to consider using a service such as MailChimp, as the first 2,000 subscribers are free. As your list grows, the monthly cost of maintaining your email list on MailChimp becomes similar to email marketing services such as Send-in-Blink and get ready. Once you have created a newsletter subscription form, you can promote it on your website, your online store, your blog, and your social media accounts. This will help increase sign up to your list. Develop a membership website. If you have what it takes to run a successful blog, once you have what it takes to build a good membership website, like blogging, the key to a successful membership website is good content. But while the vast majority of blogs are free to read, most content membership website is hidden behind a paywall. It is wise to offer some free content to users in order to showcase what a full membership offer is all about. A full membership may include detailed review, in-depth written article, video tutorial, access to knowledgeable support team or community, free ebook, and more. Successful membership websites tend to drip feed content to members over time. This is to stop people from accessing all content immediately and then canceling. In other words, you need to have a reason for people to hang around. To get a better idea of what sort of membership website to build, I recommend searching through the web and looking at what others have created. You will see membership websites on varieties of topics such as website development, fitness, cooking, music, video creation, sports, and more. It is necessary to pay attention to the cost of completing website too, and know the best WordPress membership plugin to match any budget. In certain niches, it is common for membership to sell for $99 per month. In other, it may be as low as $10 per year. WordPress is a good platform to build a membership website due to the vast number of plugins and themes available that will let you expand your website. Subscribe to my channel